Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing my monthly unboxing for Yes Oh Yas, and it's a makeup box subscription. I will leave my first video and the review down below or in the iCard, so you guys can go check that out. But you guys, I know you're wondering, where have I been for the past couple of weeks? I have been so busy, you guys, trying to get ready, get my kids ready for back to school, and I have been just so busy, like, but I have a lot of good upcoming videos for you guys, so don't worry. I'm trying to get everything back on track, thank God for that. But I have a lot of upcoming videos for you guys, so don't worry. And yeah, you guys, like I said, I want to do my unboxing for Yes Oh Yas makeup subscription, and I want to do a try on haul. Like I know I got a palette and everything in here, and I already looked and see what I got. I just want to show you guys, and also I want to just put on some eye makeup. So if you guys would like to see what I got and see me try on some makeup, just keep on watching. This is how it looks. It comes in a bag like this, and yeah, let's see what I got. So I got this Mavi Take Me to Los Angeles palette. It looks like this, you guys, and like I said, I already looked inside. The colors are pretty. It's like perfect for fall. So it looks like this, so pretty. And guess what, you guys, it says it is cruelty free, and I love makeup that is cruelty free. I love that. So this is probably gonna be one of my favorite palettes for fall. So yeah, you guys, so one of the first things that I got. The next thing I got is the Relive Eye Serum, Pomegranate and Eye Bright for all skin types. It looks like this. I'm gonna take it out the box. It looks like this, you guys. I'm gonna pump some on my hand. I just want to smell it. Oh, okay. Let me see. I'm just gonna put it right here on my. It smells like a serum, but also can smell it don't smell like pomegranate to me. It smells like it smells orange, like a, I don't know, like a orangey tangerine smell. But yeah, I just wanted to smell that. I mean, it's not the best smelling thing, but it's okay. It's okay. But I am excited because, you know, I have a lot of dark circles, so I can't wait to try this out. So that's the second thing that I got. The next thing I got is this Mirabella eyeshadow primer. Looks like this. Let me hold it like this. And let me open it. Oh my gosh, I really need to get my nails done this week. Like, ooh, I do not like my nails looking this way. It's just so bare. I'm sorry. Anyways, off topic. Yeah, so it looks like this. I will be using this today, and the eyeshadow palette. What else do I have in here? I got this eyebrow pencil. It comes with a spoolie in the back and an angled brush on the other end. Let me open it. Okay, so it looks like this. Very nice. And the spoolie. So I got that. I think I got one more thing in here. Oh, okay, yes. This is the Silicone Pro Blender by Pure Cosmetics. It looks like this. I never used one of these, you guys. I never had one, never bought one. I don't know, I heard bad reviews on it, but you know, I will try it out. This says apply liquid or cream cosmetics with no waste. So I guess you can only use this with cream or liquid products. Just want to open it and feel it. I mean, I would try it out, to be honest, but I don't know if it's gonna be my favorite, but I'm happy that I can try it out, you know. That's the last thing I got for this month's Yes Oh Yas box. It also came with this. It just says time to travel. It looks like this. And yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I'm mostly excited about this palette right here. Okay, you guys, so let's get started doing this eye makeup look. So I'm going to be using this Marabella eyeshadow primer that I got in this month's box. Just like that. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eyelids. I really don't use eyeshadow primers. I don't know, it just, my eyeshadows stay on because I do put the concealer on. But you know, I don't mind trying out new things because it might become my new favorite. I don't know. I just like to blend this with my finger. Okay, so now that's evenly on my eyelids, I am just going to, while it's drying, I'm just going to be looking into this palette right here that I just showed you guys and seeing what colors I would like to use today. Sorry. I don't know. I do love the this one, this orangey color right here. It's called Red Carpet. I like that one, and I'm going to do Golden State of Mind, which is right here. Put that on my lid. This is going to be my crease, and I'm going to be using Suit and Tie for my outer corner. So yeah, let me see if this, yeah, this is dry. Wow, it's dry pretty good. So yeah, let's get started. I am going to be using, what is this? This is the Morphe M573 brush. I'm going to be using this in my crease. I'm going to be taking Red Carpet right here and putting this in my crease. Ooh, okay. Now that I'm looking at it, it's like more red than orange. Like in person, it looks orange. But now that I'm putting it on my eye, it looks red. But let's see, we still gonna go with it. And I have to say, wow, hold on, I don't know if this is my first time using this brush, you guys. And I have to say it's very pigmented, to be honest. I should have did some swatches. Let me see. This is how it look on my hand. And wow, it's pigmented though. I'm not gonna lie, it's very pigmented. Oh, okay. I really don't venture out in colors like this, you guys. I mean, I stay with neutrals, but I want to just try something different today and see how I will like it. So I'm just putting this in my crease and going back and forth. Okay, now I'm going to take my Suit and Tie, baby. I like that song. Okay, I'm going to take Suit and Tie, which is this color right here. It's like the black color, black shimmer. And I'm going to put this in my outer corner. Just a little bit, and then I'm just going to, I don't know what I can say, and I'm going to blend this in my crease. Like, you see, I just tapped in it just a little bit, and I'm like, wow, it's like a lot comes off. Whoa. I'm going to take this again, the Morphe M573. I just want to blend this out into my crease, halfway. Can't wait to get you home. To me, it looks good so far. I'm going to take a little bit of that because I'm going to take and put that too far up. It's like a little bit of a smoky eye, but it's okay. Okay, now I am going to go in with Golden State of Mind. It's right here, and I'm just gonna put this on my inner lid right here. Oh. Wow. It's like really good. Alright, I'm gonna go back in and blend everything out though. I ain't gonna lie, it's very, very pigmented. Like, I didn't know it was gonna come off like this. So, wow. I mean, can you guys see that? A little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna go back in with my blending brush and I'm just gonna blend my crease so everything can blend together. Oh wow. I'm really impressed. Really am, like really. I'm gonna take some of this red carpet and I'm just gonna put just a little bit. I got the song in my head. I can't wait to get you home. I love Justin Timberlake. Like, I really, really love him. Love, 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 love. Big fan. I'm just going back and forth till I like it, to my liking. I'm gonna put also Golden State in my inner like that. Now that I'm done with my lid, I want to go in with Suit and Tie. I'm gonna take this smudge brush right here. It looks like this. Let me see if I put this down. Looks like this. And I just want to put a little bit on my bottom lash line. Like that. And then I'm gonna go in with red carpet. Like, oh wow. Like, come on. I just tapped into it. Look how much it came off. Like, I just want to like blend it out. My eyes are sensitive, like really sensitive. Like when I touch a certain spot, it just wants to tear up. I don't know why. Now this is in all my videos. I don't mean to, but you know, my eyes are very sensitive. And wow, I really like it. I got some tissues right here. I'm learning my lesson, you guys, because I know that I tend to tear up and I don't mean to. I think I like it. I really like it, you guys. I really like it. What you guys think? I think it came out really cute. So I'm gonna do the other eye. I don't know if I'm gonna fast forward it, but I think I am. And I'm just gonna do the other eye just like I did this one. Okay, so guys, I just finished this eye. I think the look came out really cute. Like the eyeshadow is so pretty. Hold on, wait, let me blend some of this out because I can't take it. Okay, so I think it came out really cute. Now I'm just going to be putting on some mascara. I'm going to be putting on a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara I got in my BoxyCharm. I can't remember what month. Just going to apply some of this. This mascara has become one of my new favorites. It just, I love it. Like, I really do. So I put on some of that. Now I'm going to be putting on some eyeliner. Which I don't know. Now I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I should just leave it like this or put some lashes. I'm just going to put like a thin layer of liquid eyeliner. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Looks like this. Just going to be putting on a little bit of this. I don't know. I just want just a little bit, I don't know. That, and then I'm gonna put on some lashes, so hold on for a second and I will be right back. Okay guys, so now that I got on my lashes, these are my first time using these lashes. I really do like them, but they are so dramatic, like, oh my god, like, ooh, okay. But this is all I had on here right now, so yeah, I like them, but whoa. So now I'm gonna be doing my lips. I am going to be using the MAC Spice lip liner. It looks like this. It's in the shade Spice. I'm just gonna line my lips. And then I am going to be using the Non-Stop Liquid Lipstick from Sorman. I think I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. I don't know what shade. This is in Ribbon. Yes, it's in the shade Ribbon. It looks like this. I can't get over these lashes, y'all. And I'm just gonna put this on. I applied a little bit too much, so I'm just gonna take a tissue and just blot. And yeah, you guys, that is the look for today. It looks like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. I will be uploading more for you guys, so don't worry. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.